this is mini OPM. Original it is this connector, but I have this AC connector. Then just when you want to use AC, you just add it. Okay, now you can understand. And when you want to use VFR with AC, then you just remove this one and add in VFR is okay. It's also work, right? This is mini one. Big one also same. This is big OPM. And before it has a SC connector in the port, just to remove it and change in SC. Okay, now it's work also. And this one same. You want VFR, just take it in VFR. Okay, one machine with one connector, with one SC connector. Okay, can you understand now, my dear?